Alright, let me take a movie of what's going on here. Okay, first turn on my printer. Wait for the screen to come on. Hit print. Pick a selection, confirm. Go to tune. Temperature. Let's bring that up to what it says, 215 or thereabouts. Go back to back. And now wait for it to heat up. I will edit out that part. I'm going to use the previously damaged plate because or rather bed cover, because I don't want this one, the new one, to get messed up. And now we are approaching temperature. You're going to see the bed move, the bridge move slightly, and then come to a stop. Right, now it moved and came to a stop. Now if I go to move this here, I can't do anything because it's locked. It doesn't do anything. That's the end of the board. That's the end of the game. It's all over. I tried to reflash this. I tried to reflash the printer itself. No luck.